Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video and tell me what you think of it and what you'd like to see in the future. Today, I'm all about the green. I don't know why. Well, actually, so green is your heart chakra. Maybe I just need to feel more love and I just need to be surrounded by green. Anyways, I put my green contacts in, I'm wearing my green shirt, and then I want to do a green eye look, and then after I'm done with the green eye look, I'm going to put on a green hat. We need more green. I love green. Well, I love green, blue, all the colors, you know. I was lazy with my hair, so I just flat ironed it, don't mind me. And my face is a hot mess, I'm all broke out and stuff, but it's fine. Who cares? We're human. I hope you all are having a good new year, and I hope you are excited for this new year as I am, and it's going to be really amazing and great and perfect, and it's going to bring lots of opportunity. I can feel it. As long as you put yourself out there, opportunities are going to come rolling in. Watch it. You know it's coming. I do want to thank you so much for subscribing, for all of those who have subscribed, since I am still building my channel. I really, really appreciate all the love. Hopefully it translates through the camera how much I love what I do. I am just obsessed. I'm obsessed with makeup. This is my world. First comes my son, then comes makeup, okay?
Anyways.
We're gonna do the green look. I'm gonna try mixing up some of my products, something a little bit different. I like to stick to my normals because I find what I like and then I just keep to it because I'm like, this works, I love it, it's perfect. But yeah, so we'll try a couple different things, a couple things from drugstore, some that are a little bit more high-end. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you do, like I said, subscribe, like, and comment, and tell me what you think about this video, and let me know if my editing skills are getting better, because I think they are. And I think the last video that I posted was probably the best in the editing skills that I did. I'm trying to get the hang of not too fast, not too slow, all that good stuff. If you have any tips or suggestions, go ahead and put those down in the link below. I am a makeup artist and not a professional videographer, so no offense taken. The editing skills and all of that, I'm learning. So bear with me. Hopefully they're not too bad. Like the last video, like I said, I thought it was pretty good. So if you like seeing the sped up version where you see every little thing that I do and then I slow it back down and bring it back to slower speed, let me know if that's good, or if I should just skip that, go real time and only short bits. That would be great. I want to know what you guys like better. All right, well, let me stop talking. Thank you so much for watching, and please continue to watch, and yeah, it's gonna be good. All right, beautiful people, my face is washed, I am all prepped, my eyebrows are shaped, moisturized, and now I'm going to go in with some primer. I'm going to go ahead and use the same primer that I always use because I love it so much. Well, it's not always the same. I use two different ones that are my favorites. But the Tarte Poreless is the one that I'll be going in with. I'm going to go ahead and put this on all the areas where I get oily quickest. When you get oily in a certain area, it usually means your pores are larger in that area and it produces more. So I produce lots of oil in my T-zone. Good. That's thoroughly put on. Put it on the rest. That way your foundation just glides through the skin. Okay, so now that my primer is on, I'm going to go ahead and go into the foundation. I'm going to use my Kat Von D Lock-It foundation, and I'm also going to mix it with a mineral makeup. My mineral makeup it's oil-free foundation, and it's from Sorme. I do get this at the supply house, so I'm not sure if you can just purchase it online. You might be able to, but it's Sorme. So I mixed that, and it's kind of like a tinted moisturizer. That's what it feels like. It doesn't have too much coverage, and that's why I mix in my Kat Von D. So I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers for myself, not for clients. I love using my hands. Like, it's just so nice, quick, easy. You get it on. Always start off with clean, fresh hands, because if you don't, you're just adding more oil to your skin, and you don't want that. Unless you have dry skin, you know, more oil is always good. My foundation is done. It's super lightweight, not too much coverage today. I wasn't feeling the coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my concealer. I'm gonna use Shape Tape from Tarte. Okay, going in with Shape Tape from Tarte. I am in the shade 22N, which is light neutral. Oh God, look at that blemish. Whew. Okay, again, I'm gonna go in using my hands. For myself, I prefer my fingers. Now, I don't always do like the same, I don't always do the same order of things. Let's cover up that pimple. Sometimes I go in with my contour shade first, and then I go in with my concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and bring up my concealer up the sides of my nose, because I'm gonna narrow this out with my dark contour shade. Bye-bye dark circles. Bye-bye. Okay, so my concealer is done. I might add a little bit more afterwards if I want more coverage, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my contour shade. And lately, I have been loving. It's so cheap, and I cannot believe I found it. I'm so happy. So it's from Rimmel London, and it is the Insta Duo Contour Stick in dark. I love it. So I don't like the highlighter so much. Honestly, that's not necessary at all. But love the contour.
Love it.
So I'm gonna go down the sides of my nose. I'm gonna shorten the nose, add the button, add some dimension to my cheeks, take away the chin, take away a little bit of the forehead. Blend and push. Good, I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and use the excess that I have and go ahead and put it under my eyes. I get real dark under here, especially when you're a mama and you lose sleep. I'm gonna take the excess with my ring finger and pat it on my eyelid. And this will be my base for my eyeshadow. And a little bit around my nose because I get so red right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and then I will be right back. All right guys, so I went ahead and I laid those eyebrows down. I took my concealer and my concealer brush and I cleaned up the edges. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my translucent powder and set underneath the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use Naturally Neutral and Airspun for my translucent powder. You wanna put translucent powder wherever it fades throughout the day. Mine is under the eyes, around the nose and the mouth, and then also the forehead. I have no idea where my bronzer brush is, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my blush brush. Blush brush. I'm gonna go into the eyes next. We're gonna put down a base. So much powder. I haven't decided what my base color is gonna be, so let me look. I'm gonna stick to my Juvias palettes, I think. Okay, I'm gonna grab my big, fluffy, soft brush, clean up your creases, and work it in. Sweep it back and forth. Make sure you extend it just a wee bit to elongate the eye. So to add some smolderiness, I'm gonna go in with the cream black gel and I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down here, and then I'm gonna pat over green on the top of it, and it's gonna leave it super like, So I'm gonna go in right in here, add that black. I need a mirror to see it close. What am I doing? Okay y'all, so baby boy just woke up. I'm probably gonna go on silent for a little bit because it's gonna get loud and rowdy in here. So this I need to work with when it's wet to put the eyeshadow over the top, but now it's dry. So this is dry and I'm gonna have to put another layer over it so to refresh it, so that way the eyeshadow smooths over it and it smokes it out. If you let it dry, it doesn't smoke out so hot. So let's try this again, and probably gonna be on mute for a little bit, so enjoy the music. What are we doing? You wanna watch Sesame Street? Wanna watch Sesame Street? You wanna watch Elmo? You guys, I totally forgot to freaking record. I forgot to press record. So anyways, I went ahead and finished the other eye. I smoked it all out. I went in with a Sephora waterproof eyeliner, and I went ahead and lined my waterline, and I dragged it all the way down. So I did it real low, and I coated my eyelashes, I coated everything. After that, I went in with my Zulu by Juvias, and I went ahead and took this color. I don't even know what color that is, but it's really pretty. I took this color and then I smoked it out underneath, and I overlapped all that pencil that I had just laid down. It gave it a really nice base to work with, and then also it'll help it stay throughout the day because it's nice and tacky. So it's kind of like a primer. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara just on my top lashes, and then I'm gonna put on my false eyelashes and then a lip. We're gonna put Elma back on, so back to the music. Bye bye.
I'm gonna sing about it instead. Well, I dream.
Okay, so last step, I'm gonna go ahead and put my lipstick on, and then I am done. Wait, no, lipstick and then highlighter, and then I'm done. Okay guys, this is my end result. Green. It's all I wanted to do. I had to add a pink lip. We could have done a green lip if I wanted, but I didn't want to go that far. It is all done, complete, fresh, and clean looking. The last finishing touches, I went ahead and put a highlighter on my lip. I put it over the lipstick. I thought it was super cute. We'll see what you guys think. Yeah, I think it's super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look, and I'm gonna go ahead and put all the products that I used in the description box. So if you want to check those out and you want to know what I used, it'll be down there. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this look. Go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, and also follow me on Instagram. It's Rose Petal Makeup, and petal is spelled P-E-T-T-L-E. So Rose, P-E-T-T-L-E Makeup on Instagram. Also, I have a Facebook. It is Rose Petal _creations. That's on Facebook. And then here. So like me on social media, follow me on social media, and you'll see more. Thank you so much. Bye.